Welcome to understand Hatha Yoga tradition, Hatha Yoga knowledge. Okay, Hatha means these are two alphabet. Okay, symbolical. These are symbolical. Ha means sun energy. Energy. Or we can call thought energy. Energy, okay, thought energy, sun. And Tha is symbol of cold or the moon energy. Lunar energy, okay? Solar energy and lunar energy. Lunar energy. Cold energy. Cold. So, life is Hatha Yoga is a science of life. Hatha Yoga means science of life. Science of life. Hatha Yoga means science of life or knowledge of life. Knowledge of life. Knowledge of life. Okay. This is the meaning. And life is a union. Okay. Life is result. Result of union of sun and moon. So where their sun and moon are together, there is life. Life means unification, relation of sun and moon. Where is life? Is universe. This universe is an ocean of life. So what is the universe? Universe is unified form of sun and moon energy. The sun and moon energy balanced and they unified and their energy changed into form of universe. So this uni means union, two or more. So sun and moon, they are functioning together like in the form of universe. So universe is nothing. This is the unified or the fusion of sun and moon energy. Here in individual life, individual body, individual in human being and any living being body, there is also sun and moon. Sun in individual body, sun is in navel and moon is in thought. So this sun and moon, between them is life, human life. So human beings are also unified form of sun and moon. We cannot see them. In universe we can see because they are very big. Sun and moon are very big. So they are visible. We can see them. But we cannot see our sun and moon. But if you want to see your sun and moon and balance them, because first we need sun and moon knowledge. If you don't know them, then how you can behave with them? So first we should know them And after knowing them, you can discipline them, you can use them, you can guide them, control them, discipline them according your need. So those who have right knowledge of sun and moon, they are the Hatha Yogi. They are the master of Hatha Yoga. So first we have to know how I can be master of Hatha Yoga. First we have to understand Hatha. Ha means this body, okay? This body or visible body outside, okay? This body is the symbol of sun. And inside mind or the self or the consciousness is the symbol of moon, okay? Moon is hidden behind the sun or into solar body. This body, whole body of human being is a transformation of solar energy. Solar energy changed into five form. Okay, sun energy, solar energy, or sun energy coming on earth, and it is changing in earth, water, fire, air, and space. These are the five elements in the universe. They are nothing. They are just a transformed form of the sun energy. Moon energy also in them, but that energy is quiet and calm, sleeping. Okay, sleeping Kundalini. The moon energy is sleeping Kundalini. Sun is active Kundalini. It is a visible. It is a appearing. It is we can see because it is a gross. It is a change. Behind it is moon. So moon and sun are always together. Where they are in balance, there is life. In some form, like this is a chair. This chair is a unified form of solar energy and lunar energy, moon energy and the sun energy. Okay. This iron that is visible, I can touch it, I can see it, I can test it. This is a visible iron. This is a solar energy. Means it is an active form. Behind it, one energy more, that is moon energy. Moon energy maintaining its form. My body and my soul. Okay? Body is a material. It is a transformation energy of sun, solar energy. It changes in material because this body made by earth element, water element, fire element, air element and space element. All five elements are together and they change into form of body. Behind this body is soul, consciousness. Okay? So Hatha Yoga we can say Ha and Tha. Ha means matter. Okay? It's a matter. Whatever is visible, that is matter. And second is Tha, that we can say consciousness. Consciousness, okay? These two are Hatha Yoga, okay? Their union is Hatha Yoga. Understand? Matter is Ha and Tha is consciousness. So consciousness and matter, they are working together. The whole universe made by matter and energy. Einstein seen this. Einstein, the modern father of science, he seen this reality that said by Hatha Yoga. Einstein seen that matter can change into energy and energy can change into matter. Please write this word. Matter changeable. Matter can change into energy and energy can change into. So life is change, exchange. Life is exchange. Life is exchange of sun into moon, and moon change in sun. This is a duality, this is a two. Life is exchange of sun into moon and moon into moon change into sun. Sun can change in moon, moon can change into sun. It is exchanging continue. It is exchanging. Life is exchange of sun into moon and moon into sun. This is a happening in universe. Whole universe is a transformation of sun and moon, moon and sun. It's a exchanging, and this exchange is happening due to prana. Okay, prana is connecting to ha and tha. Ha and tha. They are connecting. This connecting with ha, connecting with tha, tha connecting with the ha. This connection, natural connection, called prana. Natural. Natural connection is breathing. Breathing or the prana. So this prana is happening with, by help of prana, this can change in this and this can change in the ha and tha. This is called pranayama. So whole universe is also taking breath. You can see the universe taking breath like a individual living being, like a me, you, animal, any animal, tree, whatever is existing in this universe, everything is taking or exchanging energy. The trees are taking the prana in the form of oxygen. The trees are taking prana or food in the form of oxygen. We are getting bread and chapati and vegetables in the form of prana. Means ultimate all matter, whatever we are eating, that is changing into energy prana. So we have to understand the construction of ha and tha. Means construction of structure of ha and tha, what they are and their existence, how they are existing. So we have to understand what is ha, what is tha, how they are living together in the union, okay? And they are under the control of prana. So in Hatha Yoga, three things are important: body, mind and prana. Body, mind or body, matter and consciousness, or the body and self, body and atma, okay? Two, body, material, self, consciousness, or the atma, consciousness, okay? So there are two things, and in these two things, one is changeable, second is unchangeable. Please understand this also.